Oh, hey everybody. This would be a good time for an intro. I'm Bill, and this is the start of my victory garden. Hey everybody, it's Bill. So, one of the things I like to do after I'm done gardening is to sit by the fire pit with the family. And our fire pit has been in need of some serious attention. So today, I'm going to be dealing with the fire pit. Here you go, take a look. This is how it stands right now. I had these logs from a tree we took down, so I saved them. Those are ultimately going to be benches, and I'll make wood across them. And over here I've got some stone materials. So I'm going to level it. We're going to put a deck. I'm going to increase, meaning a stone deck. I'm going to increase the size of the fire pit itself. See that? I'm going to fix that, make it a little wider. So anyway, here we go. This is a good project to go along with the garden. Alright everybody, I'm going to try putting the camera down so that you can see what I'm doing. The camera's positioned to get the fire pit action, and we'll certainly speed it up so you don't have to watch me doing everything. But I'm going to roll here, and the camera's going to take, and I'm going to slowly get this fire pit in shape for the family. Widening the hole for the fire pit. We're going to have it plunged Hey everybody, needed some bigger tools for the project. Alright everybody, now the idea is I want to level this area because ultimately I'm going to be putting a flat stone sitting area, standing, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to rake a little bit, I'm going to drop some more crushed stone in, and then we'll start the leveling process. Now remember, the deck doesn't have to be perfectly flat. This is a rough installation, and also the stone dust is going to even things out a bit, and that'll make it ready for what's going to be an informal dry lay of a field stone. So I brought over some stone while the camera was off, and now I'm going to start the process of laying down the flat pieces of stone and using the stone dust. And again, this doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best. We're not looking for a finish here. This is meant to be a rustic fire pit. So here goes. available pretty much any contractor location. Home Depot, Lowe's. Just get some leveling. That I'm going to fill it up with stone dust when I'm done. So for now, they don't need to be exact. These are going to be far apart as far as the cracks go, and no grout. It's just going to be stone dust. Alright everybody, good evening. So here we are, the end of day one. I'm walking to the fire pit area. I'm going to try and give you a shot. So take a look. This is the fire pit, day one. See that? Here we'll get a little bit of a bird's eye view. See the different stones? It was tough laying them. Now I'm going to use the stone dust in between the rocks when they're ready. But for now, here's where we're at. And yes, it's tough to pick out the right size stones and to sort of line them up, but I got the hang of it after a while. So this is the fire pit. After we're in the garden, we like to relax here. This is Bill, signing off. I'll see you for another day at my victory garden. Take care.